Lumos. Welcome back. I'm the Craft Wizard and today we will be making a jar of Forest Peak mushrooms. Let's get started. So I'm joined here today by my friend Evie.
Hi.
So you will need a jar and some fake mushrooms. The label you're going to put on your jar. A jug of water and some red food colouring, and you'll also want a glue gun. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and get our water to the right colour that we want it. So let's start.
Do we need a spoon?
We do need a spoon. Accio spoon. So put a little bit in. That was more than a little bit.
Yeah.
Then mix it. Actually, no, that probably wasn't. I think that's maybe a bit redder.
Yeah.
I'm really bad at doing this. I just add a little bit more until you have your desired red colour. We've got a really deep red, and I think it's better if you have the same colour as your mushrooms, like not the exact same shade, but say you have red top mushrooms like this, have red coloured water, so that they go well together. But if you have different coloured mushrooms, you could do it whatever colour you want. So next, we are going, put that to the side. Next, we're going to attach the label to the jar. So I'm going to do this with glue. So I'll use the glue gun. Just put it, normal Pritt Stick glue works absolutely fine. I find it works the best, but I thought I'd just try using the glue gun today. So it's always best to check that your label fits the jar. A problem that I've just come across. But it doesn't matter because you can always curve it around, which always helps to give an older, more rustic feel. So then we're going to want to attach the mushrooms to the top of the jar to make it look cooler. So, what do you think? Should we have one up, one leaning down, and then one short one? Do you think that would look good?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll simply attach those with the hot glue gun. So put a small bit of glue on the bottom and put it down onto the jar and wait a few seconds, probably about 5 to 10.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7. That's secure enough for now. Then we'll put that one on like that. So we'll put that down there. Probably need to use quite a lot of glue.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah.
So then you have one lay down. And then I've also got a shorter one that I've cut, which we'll put right at the bottom, or at the front, you could say.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Just.
Oh, I didn't hold that one for very long.
No.
So that now we have the jar with mushrooms on the top.
Oh.
So this has been a really quick project actually, because now all we're left to do is to put the water in the jar and seal it on tightly. So pour it in. Oh,
Do you
no.
want?
No, you pour it in, because you haven't done much for this video. Keep pouring. Stop. Right, then we screw the lid on tightly.
Don't
And
touch the glue. Yeah. Because it's not
Your
completely set.
Forest Peak mushrooms are all done. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!